Hello and welcome to a video about our Cosphatec Xanthan Gums. If you would like to achieve a vegan product, crystal clear fluid and a great skin feeling
and a perfect solubility, our Xanthan Gums are made for you. Let's check it out.
Generated by biofermentation, our xanthan is a plant-derived polysaccharide with highly transparent and vegan properties. The advantage of xanthan gum is that viscosity decreases under increasing shear forces. The effect is important for applications like foams or emulsions and allows an easy and smooth spread of cream on the skin. Unique for our Cosmodern Xanthan Gums is that the pH value does not influence the viscosity. Even at extreme low or high pH values, they are always showing the same viscosity and yield, depending on the shear forces. This makes our Xanthan Gums flexible in any applications and under any conditions. Our Xanthan Gums are very salt tolerant, which plays a decisive role in the use of anionic and cationic surfactants. With an initially increasing concentration, up to about 0.85% sodium chloride in the solution, the viscosity is even increased. With a further increase in concentration, the curve then decreases very slowly, up to very high salt concentrations of about 9 to 10% sodium chloride. With its high pH tolerance, as well as in the high tolerance in the presence of salts and alcohols, our Xanthan Gums create an emulsion stability 8 times higher and less phase separation in water-oil emulsions. Cosphatec Xanthan Gums easily fulfill all certifications, and also they are Cosmos approved, as all our core products are.
Now, the special thing about our Cosphatec Xanthan Gum is it's vegan and it creates super clear crystal solutions. So there is no murkiness or natural cloudiness, so it's just transparent and clear.
I'm sure we have just the right Xanthan Gum for you. Let's show you some more advantages of our natural thickeners designed for your production needs.
Our Xanthan Gums come in sand grain consistency or fine powder. It does not clump easily, produces a clear solution, has a very high water solubility, and dissolves very quickly into a high viscous structure. Competing products first clump, take much longer to gel, and become cloudy. Our test shows the instant solubility of our Xanthan Gums into transparent viscose fluids, pretty perfect for your production. Perfect for getting that silky smooth gelatinous consistency without being sticky like other products. Our vegan clear Xanthan Gums can be applied in all cosmetic products. Apart from our Cosmodern Xanthan Gums' excellent sensorial characteristics, such as reduced stickiness and the creation of a silky skin feeling, our Xanthan Gums outperform the standard products, also in dissolution rate, transparency and stability.
We hope this video gave you a good idea about the many advantages of our Xanthan Gums.
Don't hesitate to contact us for further information or a personal appointment. Also, have a look at our other videos.